Hi guys, it's Lego from LegoCosplay. In this video, I'll show you how I made Rebecca's iconic shotgun, the Carnage GUTS from Cyberpunk Edgerunners. I downloaded the 3D model from the link in the description and printed it using the Bamboo Lab A1 Mini and P1 series. To hide those visible layer lines that are typical with 3D prints, I'm applying Tamiya polyester putty with a spatula. Next, I'm gluing the pieces together with plastic cement and clamping them down. I also filled the gaps between the parts with more putty. Now for the most time-consuming part, sanding. I just kept sanding until the surface was perfectly smooth. Once the surface is clean, it's time to prep it with some primer. Now let's move on to painting. I'm starting with a lacquer spray for the base coat. Over this green base, I tried to sponge on some pink lacquer paint to give it that intentionally messy look, but here's where things went wrong. I tried sponging pink lacquer right over the lacquer base and it melted the bottom layer. Lesson learned. So, I quickly pivoted and switched to water-based acrylic pink paint instead. By dabbing it on with a sponge to create an uneven texture, I finally got that perfect messy look. Finally, the fun part, weathering. I'm using black, gray, and brown acrylic paints on the sponge to add grime. Different materials rust and get dirty in different ways, so I stared closely at in-game screenshots while doing this. Once the color settles into the nooks and crannies, it instantly looks so real. After sealing everything with a clear top coat off camera, here is the finished prop. Even though it was my first time 3D printing a prop, it turned out beautifully and I'm super happy with it. The link to the 3D model, uploaded by Dave Senpai, is in the description, so I hope you all enjoy your own 3D printing life too. Don't forget to like and subscribe!